Hi, this is Annora, and today I want to dive into one of the most asked questions, well, at least by our new investors. Are we headed for another market crash? Well, to get to the bottom of this, we need to understand what led the previous crashes. And will this or might affect our new potential buyers? So what causes these previous crashes? Let's rewind to 2013 when the government rolled out some of the changes to cool down the overheated real estate market, which eventually took effect in 2015. Now here's what had happened. Increase in property registration fees. Now this made it less appealing for the quick profit investors to jump in, which helps in discouraging the speculative purchases. Now number 2, mortgage caps. Now limits on borrowing were introduced to prevent buyers from taking too much debt. These measures helped to separate the serious buyers from the ones who wanted to cash in quickly. And this was the key to stabilizing the market. And the property value gave the fair value rather than just the speculative high. Now fast forward to today when people speak about the past, that's the 2008 and the 2014 crashes. Well, those were because of economic factors and the oil price crashes. Today, the market is entirely different. Today, we have a stable economy with tax-friendly environment. So will there be a crash soon? Well, there are some rumors saying that the market is crashing. Now, if you take a closer look at the data, although the investors are still looking for the prices to drop, but if you see the data in 2023 and 2024, the prices of properties have immensely increased. One major factor in keeping the market stable is the supply, or rather lack of it. Now we have so much inventory left, or at least that's what people say. But if you look at the 2040 urban master plan, you can see that we still need 52,000 new homes. Now this is just to cater to the projected population that is 7.8 million. Last year in 2023, there were 31,500 units handed over. And this year, that is still today, approximately 21,200 units have been handed over. Now, if you see the urban master plan, that is of 52,000 new homes, we are still lacking down. Now, considering the fact that we can experience a 40% delays in the projects, we are still adding on to the undersupply. Now, this is the main reason for this increase in rent, that is by 26.5%. This has increased in rent significantly by 24.5% in the last 2 years, and it is still 16% lesser than the peak that was in 2016. Now, where do you make the right investment? Well, obviously the location matters a lot. Now, there are few locations, there are 4 to 5 locations which are at the brink of being oversupplied. Now, if you invest in these locations, if there is a market correction, these areas will hit the hardest. This is just a glimpse of the projects in which you can invest in. Now there are a few other amazing investment opportunities. You have one in the last plot in the heart of Dubai. You have one waterfront property which is a no-brainer. You also have a high-end investment in Al Marjan Island. So these are few of the projects. So if you're interested in these projects and want to know more and where to invest, then contact me on the details given below and I will catch you back in the next video.